They think they won't bring quarrel. I say, I go report, give my wife elder brother. I reach my wife elder brother place. I meet my wife elder brother, they cry. I say, bros, what did they happen? He say, can you imagine? Pikin where they pay 250,000 for play class group. They said the pikin fail. One widow, why they date for Ori, I go a place, go spend night. Before I wake up for morning, pikin wear my shoe come out. I call they tell the woman, I say, no, madam, this relationship will not work again. Now the woman call me down, they beg me, say, Douglas, please, don't hurt my feelings. I'm like a mother to you.
Sure. M.O.P. Sleep of Tall.
It's the only country where the president came into power with power bank. The country tough for Lagos now they enjoy now, can't worry now. Every year those scatter because of hardship for worry. Now worry somebody come up for a house, go in neighbor place, go thief charger. Before he come back, they don't thief his phone. Worry tough for country last week for 180 daughter just veil because of hardship, turning she ran to provision store. Now the juju be sales boy now. This country not balanced now. The young she call they can't talk of wife. Yeah, people which they marry. Yeah. Come worry now. Now worry one woman build as the husband don't know. And the man do the plumbing work for the house. Talk of wife. You don't see my wife. My wife, very iron lady. My daughter just 6 months old. My wife just they pressure me. Say this pikin go enter school, put her for school. I said 6 months. She said this pikin go enter school, if no problem, go to the house. So September last year, now put my daughter for school. January this year, my daughter called the resume school. I called it tell my wife, like this now, my daughter is going to KG1. Oh. My wife said, which kind of KG1? I never ever think of pre-KG. I dey think of KG1. I said, sure. Where my daughter dey since? Say my daughter dey for play group. I said, eh? I dey pay school fees for play. What they call shock me now when my wife come back, say they increase the school fees. I say, why? They had new play for the school. I say any play where they had for the school. If you want clap. I say any play where they had for the school, make they remove them. If my daughter come back for school, me and I will go play the play. Oh, I said, no, because you are a commenter, I just use everything, they do joke. I said, this will not be joke. They think they won't bring quarrel. I say, I go report, give my wife elder brother. I reach my wife elder brother place. I meet my wife elder brother, they cry. I say, bros, what did they happen? He say, can you imagine? Pikin where they pay 250,000 for play class group. They said the pikin fail. Say, make the pikin repeat. I can say, why? Why they say make the pikin repeat? Say they say the pikin not play like the one that should play last time. Now I say, bros, it's like your son will come and join my daughter. Because as I'm talking to you now, my daughter is a school dropout. For this country, where problem day. Ladies and gentlemen, as a young boy, do you know it is better to date a sugar mommy than to date a widow? Seriously, one widow, why they date for Ori, I go a place, go spend night. Before I wake up for morning, pikin wear my shoe come out. This year, and I greet you. I called the ask him, Mama, I said, why your pikin they behave like? He said, no, take it easy. It's like a stepson to you. When the pikin come, I'm not sure for the pikin because the pikin senior me. Wait till you pay me and the pikin birthday. I buy this watch for the boy got a shot for me. Why I go buy a fake watch and not if you buy a real watch? But man, I call say, boy, you are not my real son. I call they tell the woman, I say, no, madam, this relationship will not work again. Now the woman call me down, they beg me, say, Douglas, please, don't hurt my feelings. I'm like a mother to you. This country not balance. So, ladies and gentlemen, my time is up. I always tell men, you see, recently I did a research. I discovered say the rate when married men till they die leave their wife now like 95%. One man go only go get cardiac arrest, die. They say get BP, die. I go dey do research, wetin dey cause am? When I see wetin dey cause am, I shock. Very small thing. That name, I am the head of the house. I say, school fees go come, head of the house, take care of school fees. House rent, head of the house. All the bills, head of the house. Now call my wife. I say, baby, for this house, we don't have head. You are the head, I am the head. Now, like this, now, me and my wife, we dey run our house like democracy. Every 2 years. Like this, now, my wife be the head. Now, she dey pay house rent, they pay school fees, they buy food stuff. While me, I dey go market, they bath the children, they carry them, they go school. Who throw this to come? You see the way Lagos good. For worry, they know they throw money like this for you. As they perform for worry, somebody go just call shook 1,000 for your pocket, waka go. Another person go call shook 200, collect the 1,000, go.
Sure. All right.
Wait first. Not be now they don't spray me. Say, all right, which kind of name of progress in Lagos? For worry, they tell me, all right. Okay, thank you. I like the way they try. Now, worry, they spray me 1,020 pieces. 1,020. I count the money. The guy will give me the money, go give me 7. How come they say no, bro? The money part, I say no. Say now 5, they spray you. I they had my 2 join them more. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much.
Subscribe to my YouTube channel, like the video, drop your comments, and turn on the notification button so you see other beautiful videos when they drop.
M.O.P. Sleep of Talk.